Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn on or off screensaver in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to turn on or off screensavers, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. From settings, just scroll down and look for display option, tap on it. Then further scroll down and look for screensaver, tap on it. And here, if you want to turn on screensaver, just select one of any of these four options. Here's the color, just tap on it and then tap on preview to get a preview of your screensaver. And here's the device control option, just tap on it, then select the preview option to get a preview of your screensaver. So if you want to turn on or select your photo, so just select the photo frame or photo table, then select the settings action, and here you can easily select any photo from your camera roll or gallery, but I'm going to select this colors option. Just select that. So in this way you can easily turn on or off screensaver in Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.